I'm Kris McCusker in the 680 Business Center. Another weekly gain for Bay Street. It was higher for a 7th straight week, up by about 1%, and it's now looking at a year-to-date gain of about 12%. That's about what it lost last year. Shares in Freshie took a tumble after disappointing earnings, and then shares in HBC moved higher after the company announced it was closing down the home outfitter stores. We also saw gold, oil, and our dollar move higher today. Stateside, the winning continues there, with optimism around the U.S.-China trade talks. The president met with China's top trade negotiator at the White House, and we are hearing there will be some sort of summit in late March. The Dow moved above 26,000 for the first time since November, and the Dow is now on its longest weekly winning streak since 1995, higher 9 weeks in a row. The Nasdaq also up for a 9th straight week. It's looking at its longest weekly winning streak since 2009. Canada's biggest bank is hiking its dividend after reporting earnings. Royal Bank says it saw a net income of $3.17 billion. That did match street expectations as market volatility during the period weighed on its earnings. The stock, though, finished the day lower. As well, there was a poll coming from shares in SNC-Lavalin, which has been in the news quite a bit lately. The company reported a fourth quarter loss of $1.6 billion, the first quarterly loss in 6 years. The engineering and construction company also slashed its dividend for the first time since 1992. And in an unusual move, CEO Neil Bruce did post a YouTube video before speaking on a conference call. A lot of drama at Kraft Heinz today, and that stock was down 28% at one point, the biggest one-day drop ever. The company has disclosed an investigation by U.S. federal regulators. It will also slash the value of its Oscar Mayer and Kraft brands by $15.4 billion. The company posted a stunning $12.6 billion loss for the fourth quarter, and it also slashed its dividend. I'm Kris McCusker in the 680 Business Center for City News.